Hi all, today channel back with a new video. Well, if you're new here, my name is Rupak, and on this channel I'll bring details based on drawing, origami, artwork and anything both interesting and cool. So today we learn how to make an easy paper craft DIY which would bid a goodbye to a boring day. Yes. So to make this you'll require a square sheet of paper. I'm using a 6" into a 6" square sheet of paper. Let's get started. First, fold a paper diagonally into half, crease it well, unfold it and repeat it on the other side as well. So now we have two lines and one intersecting point. We can bring all the four flaps towards the center point, like this, crease it. Similarly, on the other sides as well, crease it. And the last side. Now we can unfold them and reverse our paper. Now we can bring this flap towards the center point, like this. Crease it well. And repeat the same on the other side. And the last fold, that is, you are supposed to fold it like this. And again repeat it on the other side. So with the end of this fold, we'll be having a small square inside this. Now again, let's fold these two again, place it. So again, when you zoom it, so now we can see a diamond. 1, 2, 3, 4. There is a diamond formed. What I'm just going to do is push it like this. Like this. So we're having something in a trapezium shape, like a boat. Let's repeat the same fold on the other side as well. Like this. Crease it well. And yes, it's ready. Well, you're wondering how, right? You can draw a character right over here. And you can make them do some yoga. Ta-da, like this. Just increase it like this. And it'll be all ready. Well, now it looks quite boring, right? Without no character. Shall we add a character? Well, I'm going to have the character Bob from the movie Minions, where he has the long stretchy hands and legs. Shall we add it? 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! It's here. So I have outlined, colored, and our minion is now ready. Shall we test it? I'm really eager, friends. 1. Wow, it looks cool. 1 and stretched. Let's test the other leg. Haha, this looks quite funny. Let's do the other way around, like this. Oh, this is so cool, and it's as well as funny, friends. And yeah, by playing with this fun toy, say bye bye to your boring day. So I hope you enjoyed this video, friends. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more. Can we call him as the Grand Yoga Master? Mention that in the comments. So this is Rupak signing off. Think Unlimited.